by and take a look at the 2020 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, ambient lighting, navigation system, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.